Why is it always the broke ones talking about, I want something real? I've noticed this pattern. The men with nothing to offer always want you to prove you're not materialistic. Like, what exactly am I choosing you for then? Personality? Please. You don't get to shame a woman for wanting security when you can't even provide stability.
Yeah, the person you're looking at was generated digitally. But it gets even more interesting. I didn't just create one video. I created 10 videos like this in one day. Different outfits, different topics, same influencer. And people are building full pages like this and actually making money from it. The goal is to build a system. Once you understand how it works, you can create something that grows, attracts attention, and opens the door to real income over time. So first, I created my AI influencer. And y'all, she is not just a random girl. I built a full personality. She's confident, very feminine, very self-aware, like she knows her worth, like someone you'd actually listen to. And visually, I made sure she looks consistent. Same face, same identity, just different outfits and looks. This is what makes her feel and look real. Now for creating these images, I use Nano Banana Pro, or you can use Nano Banana 2 inside Google Flow, which is completely free. And it works really well.
If you want to learn how to create a consistent influencer like this step by step, I've already made a full video on it and I've linked it in the description.
Now, instead of thinking of one video, I created multiple ideas at once and I kept them very simple and relatable. This type of content works because it's relatable, a little controversial, and easy to consume. And listen, this will make even you stop scrolling. Now, here's a prompt you can use. Create short, natural talking scripts for a feminine influencer who speaks about relationships, money, and self-worth. Make the tone confident, slightly bold, and conversational, like a casual podcast. Include strong hooks. That gives you ready-to-use scripts.
If you're starting to see how powerful this is, tap like and subscribe. I'm showing you how to actually turn this into something real.
Now, I created a simple setup of just her sitting. Soft lighting, clean background, and very natural, like she just pressed record and started talking. That's important because the more natural it feels, the more people trust it. You can use this prompt. Create a realistic image of a confident feminine influencer sitting in a cozy home podcast style setup. Soft lighting, neutral tones, relaxed posture, eye-level camera, natural, and not overly staged.
Now, this is honestly my favorite part because this is where everything starts to feel real. Now we're just bringing her to life.
So what I do is take each image and animate it using VO 3.1 inside Google Flow. And this is completely free. They give you credits every single day, so you can actually create multiple videos without worrying about cost, especially when you're just starting. Now, the key here is not to overcomplicate it. You don't need crazy camera movements or effects. The best performing videos, especially for this type of content, are very simple. Just a clean, eye-level talking video, like she's sitting there talking to you. That's it. So when I animate, I keep everything very natural because the goal is to make it feel like she just pressed record and started talking. And that's what makes people stop and listen. Let me give you a free prompt I use for this type of content. Talking head video at eye level. The subject sits facing the camera, speaking naturally with subtle hand gestures. Clean, realistic delivery. No background music or effects. She says, insert script. She's facing the camera, speaking clearly, very subtle hand movement, nothing dramatic.
Now, if you want a full step-by-step breakdown of how to get perfect lip sync, natural movement, and clean delivery, I've already made a detailed video on that. Now let's talk about something that most people overlook, but it makes a huge difference: voice consistency. Because here's the thing.
You can have the best visuals, the best animation, but if the voice sounds different in every video, it breaks the whole experience. It stops feeling like one person. So what I did is I used ElevenLabs to create one consistent voice. And this is the only thing I paid for, and it's literally like $5. So the process is very simple. I either generate or clone one voice. Then I use that same voice across all my videos. Now it sounds like it's actually her talking in every single video, and that's what builds familiarity. Now, when you're setting up your voice, keep it natural. Don't overdo the settings. You want it to sound like a real person talking casually, not robotic, not overly dramatic, just calm, confident, and clear. And once you get this part right, everything starts to connect and match. Now your content actually feels real. Now let me show you something important. There are creators building pages like this, posting consistently, growing audiences, and making money from it through content monetization, digital products, brand deals, and even ads.
And once you have a system like this, you can create content consistently, test what works, and scale what performs. If you want a done-for-you baddie influencer prompts that you can use in post, I've created a prompt vault for you so you never run out of content. It's linked in the description. Now in my next video, I'm going to show you exactly how to monetize this type of content step by step and how people are actually turning this into income. Make sure you've subscribed and tap that bell notification. I'll see you in the next video.